Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Laura. This week I'm going to be posting a couple of videos that have been requested. This one is going to be how to remove dents from your bags with a hairdryer. In my Chanel collection video, I mentioned that on some of my bags that I've previously stored improperly, I have actually gotten dents in the leather from the chain. And I mentioned that I have been able to get these dents out with the use of a hairdryer, and a lot of you were interested in seeing that process. So I have purposely dented my bag with the chain so that I can demonstrate to you guys how I would do this. So if you can see here, I have dents from the chain. They're pretty light because I have only been resting the bag on the chain for a little bit of time today, but I just wanted to do it so that I had it for the demonstration purposes. So let's get started. So guys, welcome to my bathroom. This is where I'm going to film my tutorial because it's just the easiest place for me. Before we get started, I want to say a couple of things. Obviously, first you're going to need your blow dryer and a couple of white towels. You're going to want to make sure that these towels do not have any print on them, any color, just plain white towels. Remember that leather is skin, so during this process, you are going to want to be careful and just remember that slow and steady wins the race. Alright guys, I'm going to move over to voiceover for this portion of the video. As you can see, here are my imprints from the chain in my lambskin bag. By using this method, you can diminish the appearance of these imprints or make them go away. Now I just want to point out this spot on my bag. It's been there forever, so this spot might not come out. You want to do this as soon as possible in order to ensure the best results for this method. Now I'm going to take out my blow dryer. It is a blow dryer that has been with me forever, if you can't tell by all the wear and tear, but it is a great blow dryer. Next, what I do is I put the white towel on my workspace, and then I put my bag on top, and then I put the second white towel over my bag to just add a protective layer. The next thing I do is I grab my blow dryer, I put it on the hot setting, and then I put it on high. I know my blow dryer. If you know your blow dryer gets really hot or you just want to take it easy, start with a lower setting first. The main goal is to get the leather warm. Never hold the blow dryer too close to the bag or directly on the leather. You're going to want to hold it several inches away from the bag and keep it moving. Don't hold it over one spot for too long. You don't want to risk burning your bag while you do this. And when I do this, I usually do it in parts. I will blow dry the leather for a couple of minutes, and then I will stop blow drying the leather. I will take the towel off and massage the area with my fingers to work out the imprints and indentations from the chain. Now after this first session, I'm already seeing a lot of improvement in my bag. So I'm so far really happy with the result. That one dent that's been there forever is still there, which I kind of expected. It's something that I think was with the bag when I received it, so it will be harder to work out, if at all, with this method. So again, you really just want to do this as soon as you notice any indentations or imprints on your bag. The sooner you do this, the better results you're going to have. So I'm doing a second session real quick just for optimal results, but I had already seen the imprints coming out. As I inspect the bag, I'm pretty happy with the results. That small old imprint is still there, but that's kind of what I expected. So let me know what you guys think. Hey guys, that's it for this video. That is my technique of getting dents out of your bag with a hairdryer. Let me know in the comments below if you are going to try this technique. Again, please be very, very careful when you're doing this to your bag, but this is a great way to fix your bag when you have accidentally and improperly stored it and have dents in it from the chain. Until the next video, guys, see you next time.